this asub sublimation paper. It is 4" by 9.5". It is about perfect for mugs. So I'm going to give this a try today. I have a color changing blue sublimation mug ready to go. So I'll get a design printed on this sublimation paper and we're going to give it a try. This is an 11-ounce mug, and as you can see, this paper is just about perfect. I found this image on Creative Fabrica, so I downloaded it and I brought it into my Word. I like to print from Word, Microsoft Word. So what I did to get this the correct size is I went into layout, and then under size, you can see there is more paper sizes here. And I set it to 4 inches in width and 9 inches high. So now let's get this printed. So I'm going to go to File and Print, and I'm going to go under my printer properties. I'm using an Epson EcoTank 2840 that I have converted over to sublimation printing by adding sublimation ink. And under Main, you're going to want to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte and High Quality. And then under More Options, I am going to go under Image Options, and I am going to emphasize more and emphasize thin lines. And then I'm going to hit OK here, and I'm going to turn bidirectional or high speed off. And of course, we want to be mirroring our image. So I am going to get this printed. So for ceramic, this paper suggests 400 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes. So 3 minutes would be 180 seconds. So I'm going to get my heat press set for 400 degrees at 180 seconds, 3 minutes. I'm using my HTV auto tumbler press today, and the highest that the temperature will go on this is 390. So I've got it set for 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to be pressing for 3 minutes. So I'm going to get this press heated up. The sublimation paper came with this protective paper sheet, so I'm going to use that as well. I'm going to get the image added now, and we'll get this pressed. And here's our design. It printed perfectly. So I have my design taped in place, and I'm going to use this paper and slide it into my press. So I have that centered well here, so I'm going to get this started. I love watching these color changing mugs change color. It's so interesting. As you can see, it's almost done, and I've got my heat resistant glove on, and I've got a piece of wood to set my mug on. And here it is, almost done. And I'll let this cool for a few seconds, and then I will get this paper off. Well, this turned out beautiful. The colors are really popping. And as this cools now, it will turn dark blue, and then I will show you that, and then I will also take a picture of it with hot liquid in it as well. But all in all, this sublimation paper from asub works just beautiful. This has almost cooled all the way. It will turn completely dark blue like the handle, but you can see that it is changing color. So when you add hot liquid to this, it will show up again. But I will wait until this is completely dark and show you what it looks like. It is almost completely dark blue. I just love these color changing mugs for sublimation. I'll have a link below for these as well, but they just turn out so beautiful. Okay, let's pour some coffee and watch the magic happen. There it goes. You can see it changing slowly, but it's super fun to watch these change color. So if you were to do these for a friend or as a gift, they would have a lot of fun watching this. And so this asub sublimation paper worked out amazing. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.